Hi gang, it's Rick, your persistent hiker, and we're on the Rooks Nature Trail, and that's in the Withlacoochee National Forest, which is also in Chadowitska Wildlife Management Area. Boy, that's a mouthful, huh? No wonder the Indians were the people of few words. Anyway, we're about halfway through this little trail here, and it's a beautiful little area back here. Nice trail, a lot of different kinds of terrain. We got some woods and some meadows and some swamps and all kinds of neat stuff. And it's a gorgeous day. It's New Year's Eve day, what it is. Still 2012. I don't know what's going on. I can hear the camera clicking. Yeah, it's going to be a noisy one. Anyway, we're about halfway through here. We're going to finish this little trail, and then we're going to head over to another little trail, which I'll make a little video later about that. But this is a gorgeous little trail, little area in here. It's a nice hike. It's well marked, it's level, and it's dry. So this is Rick signing off. We'll see you again from some other trail and some other state forest and some other country on some other planet. Bye.